Okay, we got a CQ from Whiskey Zero Lima Echo November. Let's see if I can contact him. I'm just going to double click on it. There it goes. Got my coffee perking over there. Oh, there we go. I think that's Lynn. Is that Lynn? Okay, let's see what I'm going to do. Please leave a message. 73, this is Lynn. I'm going to leave a message. I'm going to load a canned one. You can see him up here in the monitor. I've got my monitor screen going. VARA HF monitor. Right there, it's monitor selected. So I have two of them running. Two instances of them. And you can see I sent him my name and QTH locator, and you can see he's typing up here. And we had a pretty good connection. I was looking at it over here. It's pretty high. Okay. Lynn, he's in St. Charles, Illinois. Alright, see it filled it in for him down there. I'm going to go ahead and send him my rig info. Clear that. I'm going to send him my rig. I clicked on the wrong one. I can go ahead and type in here, hi Lynn. And then go over here and I can click send, or I can just hit my return key or enter key. Yeah, we got a pretty good connection, 250 BPS, higher than that. I'm using the paid version. I'm going to go ahead and send him my little portable image, my truck, RV portable. I spelled his name wrong. Oops. So I just walked in the camper and turned on the radio, and he was right there. That doesn't happen all the time. Go ahead and send him our weather down here. And we've been in the 70s during the day. So this is technically it's similar to FT8, but only because it's extremely good with weak signals, and I'm running 25 watts right now, but I've seen guys running under 1 watt. Oop, got a bug going across there. It's part of camping. Oh, I guess you couldn't see it. The bug was on my screen. And since we got such a good connection, I'm going to go ahead and try to send him a file. And to send a file, you just click on send file. And I've got a little joke in here, VarAC joke. I'm going to open that up. And you can hear my radio. I've got some interference in there. It's some from electrical. I've got some power. Well, I'm in my camper, so that's probably the converter. Yeah, it looks like the converter. I'm looking at my 7300, and on the waterfall spectrum scope, that kind of looks like my my converter, and you can hear it. It's kind of drifting in and out over the frequency we're on. I wonder if I can get a picture of that. Yeah, maybe I can put that in the video. But we're getting right through it. Yeah, we did. And I'm trying to keep my sentences short. Which I think he's doing the same. Glad you escaped. And then check this out. I'm getting ready to send glad you escaped. And I think that's pretty funny. I'm going to ask him if there's some other gestures. If you, he's typing again. If you click on gestures, you can see that's the one I sent, man laughing. Oh, he got the file I sent. It's just a little joke. And right now we're sending signal reports back and forth, but if I click on the verbose SNR up here, it will send it, I think, every 60 seconds, which is an awful lot. And since we've got such a good connection, I don't think it's really necessary. We used this the other day when I was in a QSO because the band was fading on us. So you could really chat on here all day, just like you could with CW. It's just such a terrific mode, and it's gaining popularity. There are more and more people on here, but like JS8 call, I see a lot of people just sending beacons, and they're not actually getting on here and chatting. But I suppose that'll improve. Okay, I'm going to wrap this up. One of the things that I found a little problematic, when I say, okay, I'll have to go, or I'm getting called to dinner, or whatever, whenever I send that, the other stations have thought that I meant I had to go right away, so they clicked on the 73 and disconnected me. So it kind of ends in an abrupt 73. And see, I wonder if he sent 73 and we get disconnected. I'm going to go ahead and send it right now. Now when I send that 73, we'll get disconnected. It's got the little disconnect at the end. In brackets, disconnect, DISC. But sometimes it just seems like it's a really abrupt 73 and we get disconnected. Let's see. Oh, I think it worked out just perfect that way. He let me send the 73, so that's terrific. I think what happens is when I say, okay, I have to go, the other guy sends the 73, the canned message 73, and we get disconnected. I think people are still getting used to this and more comfortable with it. So, it takes some time to learn how to use this. But boy, it's just terrific. Now, it went ahead and logged him automatically, and it's going into log for the old man, and which will be refreshing. Here it goes. There it is. Gets logged into there, and I'll on my website I'm going to be doing more videos on this, and I'll show you how I have it set up so it logs right into log for the old man. But boy, this is just a terrific mode, really exciting, and 25 watts, so I've been able to talk to people all over the country without any issues. Okay, so this is just a demonstration, and I'll have more videos coming how to get this installed. It can be a little tricky, so if you haven't already, please subscribe below and ring that bell to be notified when I put out another video. And if you got any questions, go ahead and comment below. I really appreciate the comments. It really does help out my channel when people post comments. Just looks better in search engine optimization, and you know, it lets me know that people are interested in the videos that I'm doing. So yeah, thank you, and I really appreciate all my subscribers out there. Thanks for being a subscriber and coming back each week, and a few times each week, and watching my videos. So have a great rest of your day. Enjoy the basketball games. 73 and good DX.